Hello. Today we're going to talk about inline template functions. So first of all, there is actually no such term as inline template functions, but we can work around them. So to create them. So what we are trying to achieve is, let's say we have a function named compare or something like that, and it takes as an argument some comparison function. So I will just write it here, and then we will compare here. Like, say for example, you have a vector or an array, and you want to compare if these two arrays are equal. So it's a little bit problematic if you just use a function pointer, because it's like really the bottleneck. So often the compiler gets which function will be used where, and so it's also inlined, but there's no guarantee. And yeah, and especially in sorting algorithms, that could be really useful to like dynamically just have a function that is a template argument, and then this function will be called in the comparison. Yeah, as I mentioned, like this inline, like also here, this inline is no guarantee that this function will be inline. It's basically just a way to say, please compiler inline. So there are other things. So there's, for example, the attribute always inline. Probably don't need that, but I write it there anyways, it doesn't hurt you. And when you write this in front of a function, it's probably inlined. I'm not sure, I don't trust the compiler, but if you want to double check, you can like run your code 1 million times or so, and do it with attribute always inline, and the other time you do it with attribute no inline. So you're like, I don't know, 90% sure if no inline is really slow and the other one is really fast, then probably this one works. Yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit messy up here. That's because like in Microsoft version of C++, you have this underscore force inline, and this is the no inline version of this attribute no inline. We are of course here in Linux, and this version is enabled. Yeah, let's get into it. So as I mentioned, we're going to use static member functions. So for example, we say I don't know, comp equal, and then here we say static, so we can call it outside the class by just using the namespace and then calling the function. So here false inline static, or maybe other way around. Probably doesn't matter, but yeah. And here we say inline func, and its argument we take int a, int b, and return. I forgot also here a equal b, public, we say here comp greater than, so a greater than b, and then we have here our function where we want to call one of these. So it's just important that you have these functions are named equally. And we say here template class A or func, and then we will call. So we will get into the namespace of func, and then call inline func a comma b, and yeah, also return cout. And as template argument, we're gonna put in comp greater than using namespace std space std, that should work. And yeah, so it says here 0. That's of course true because it's not greater than. If we say here comp equal, it's true. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you.